What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the Wade Fishing Experience. My name is Matt, and I appreciate y'all tuning in today. We've got an absolutely gorgeous Tampa Bay spring day, y'all. I am stoked to say I have ditched the waders for the first time this season. The water is warm enough, you don't need them, so now is your chance to get out there and get on some fish. So I'm gonna start doing these after work trips again, y'all. With daylight savings, we've got the time to fish after work, which is key. But we've only got about 2.5 hours, so we're gonna try to quickly dial in on what the fish are doing. Just walking out onto the flat and, taking a look around. Looks like the mullet are around, so I'll probably try to follow along with some schools, and I'm gonna be working soft plastic and really probably just spinning a bunch of casts. And yeah, hope to get on some good action, y'all. We're really truly looking for reds and snook tonight. I'd really like to get on a snook bite. It's been few and far between over the winter, and they are starting to heat up, so now is the time, y'all. But that is enough chit chat. Let's get to the fishing. There's something right here, y'all. Probably just a little something, but maybe get us started. What do we get? A flounder? Nah, puffer. Big puffer? Big puffer. Oh, my favorite, y'all. My favorite. Well, at least he didn't get, well, I don't think he got my lure. Guy, you are annoying, bud. Yeah, you're annoying, dude. What are you doing? Yeah, you're not supposed to eat that. Yep, not supposed to eat that. And I just dunked my whole combo thanks to this thanks to this puffer fish, y'all. Oh, epic fail. These are the fishing days of our lives. I'm breaking one of my own rules right now too, y'all. And I'm crossing this oyster bed in my flats boots. And I generally don't do that because these aren't the same hard-soled boots that I wear in the wintertime. They're more of a soft sole, and these are an older pair. So I probably really should not be doing this, y'all. So just note that. Hard bottom boots, cool to walk over oysters. Soft bottom boots, not cool to walk over oysters. But we're almost off them here. Alrighty, my friends, just a quick update. It's been a little bit slow so far. We do have some wind out on the flats. It's blown about 10 to 12. I did spook one redfish, at least one. It could have been a group of a couple. Wasn't a big deal or anything, but he let me sneak up on him. I got within 10 feet of him, and then there goes his wake. But what I'm gonna do next is come off the flat a little and back into the mangroves. And I saw some activity over here, kind of out of the corner of my eye, and now I'm seeing a lot of mullet activity over here. We've got wind protection over here. So I'm just gonna cast around this cove and see if we can get a snook, y'all. All right, y'all. We got our little cove here. So what I'll do, I'll just work around, try to cast any up, see those mullet, try to cast any activity that I see, but also just try to skip cast under the mangroves. And then we'll go to the mouth of this creek or entrance to another cove, whatever it is over here, and work that side if we can. right in front of me, y'all. That was a nice red. That's what swirled on me earlier. Dang it. Dang-gummit. Well, y'all, I tried to go too hard under the mangroves here and got myself a bit of a mess. Bit of a mess. I have tied a knot in my leader. This is all jacked up. All jacked up. Okay. Here's a fishy of sorts. Of course, it's another puffer, y'all, because that's what we were good at catching today. Just freaking ridiculous. Man, try not to drop your combo this time. That'd probably be a good plan. There you go, buddy. Good Lord. If you know, you know. This is one of my favorite plugs of all time, y'all. Right there. So that's what we're gonna be throwing. Ooh. Yep. There we go. We're on. We're on. Yes, sir. On the Skitterwalk. I think we got a snook, y'all. I think we got us a snook. Well, he's taking me in a circle here. There we go. He about got me. Easy, boss. Oh, he's back hooked, y'all. Dadgum, he is back hooked. Easy, buddy. I'll get you taken care of. Easy, easy. Easy, boss. Easy, Bubba. Okay, y'all. All right. Little snooky. Little snooky, y'all. But we are on the board, and I will take it on the Skitterwalk. Yeah, he's biting my thumb. He's like, what is going on here, y'all? All right, we'll see you later, dude. Nice. All right, my friends, that is it. Very uneventful day, but just good to be able to get out here after work and do some fishing. So more of these videos to come, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in. We will see you next time.